Introduce highlight features or overview summary of TOWIUOA 5 tons portable hydraulic heat press machine. 1200 watt hydraulic rosin press machine with adjustable temperature and pressure, heavy-duty iron aluminum construction. This high-performance hydraulic rosin press machine is engineered for durability, precision, and efficiency across a wide range of pressing applications. Constructed from a premium iron aluminum alloy and finished with precision plastic spraying and polishing, the machine offers excellent strength, scratch resistance, and long-term reliability. 4 anti-slip suction cups on the base enhance stability, ensuring safe and secure operation during high-pressure use. Powered by a robust 1200 watt heating system, the press delivers an impressive maximum hydraulic pressure of 11,023 pounds, making it a powerful assistant for consistent and efficient pressing. Dual aluminum heating plates heat rapidly and evenly, improving productivity while delivering reliable results. The lift handle allows precise adjustment of the heating plate distance from 0 to 1.97 inches, supporting different material thicknesses. The machine features adjustable temperature settings up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and timing control from 0 to 999 seconds, with a clear digital display for real-time monitoring. Built-in overheat, overload, and short-circuit protection, combined with effective ventilation, ensure safe operation and extended service life for demanding professional and industrial environments. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.